Hello my lovely Aquarius, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel, for giving me lots of love. Thank you for that, and I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your general reading for the month of April 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. Please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Because this is the general reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. So by doing your meditation, Aquarius, the message which I was getting was that you need to release something on which you are holding on. Okay, you know better what you are still holding on. There is something on which you are holding on and you have to release that. So release anything on which you are holding on which don't serve your highest good. And let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages. What are the messages for my Aquarius for the month of April 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages for the Aquarius for the month of April 2021, which I need to deliver. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. What are the messages? Please help me out to deliver the messages. What are the important messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? What are the messages? Sorry, my daughter was there. Yeah, okay. So yes, let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius for the month of April 2021. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. Wow. Wow, Aquarius, wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having love. Many of you are going to get reunion with your yin and yang, with your divine counterpart. Basically, this is your general reading. This is not your love reading, but I am getting your love love messages here. So yes, reunion is here. Many of you are going to get reunited with your yin and yang, with your divine counterpart. And here I'm having money. So abundance is coming for you, Aquarius. Many of you are going to get money offers. Okay, money opportunities. Maybe you get new jobs or new business proposals, but abundance of money is coming for you. So beautiful things are coming for you in the month of April 2021. Reunions, many of you are going to reunite with your twin flames, with your soulmates, with your yin and yang here. Okay, love is coming for you for sure here, Aquarius. Can you see? This was bottom of the deck. Love is here, and here I'm having freedom. See, this is another card. You will feel your independence here. You will feel your freedom. And there is children here too. Wisdom, and there is destiny. Wow. Marriage, travel. Okay. So many of you are going to get travel card. He is here again. So maybe you are going to get travel. Okay. Maybe you are traveling somewhere, or your divine counterpart is going to get travel. There is children involved in your situation. Either you are having children with this person, with your yin and yang here, or you are going to get children with your divine counterpart. You will get pregnant. Okay, that can be a possibility. You are getting more wise. Wisdom is coming for you. More wisdom is coming for you. You're becoming more wise than before here, Aquarius. And here I'm having destiny and the marriage. See, this was your destiny to get married with this person, with your divine counterpart here with the yin and yang. This is written in your destiny to get married with this particular specific person who is your destiny, who is your yin and yang. Okay, so that's why here it is very much clear that this is the reunion, okay, which is happening for many of you Aquarius, which is written in your destiny. Beautiful and wonderful messages for the month of April. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the Work Your Light oracles. What are the messages for the Aquarius for the month of April 2021? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. See, I told you, what are you clinging on? There is something, because I was getting this card in meditation again and again, that there is something here, Aquarius, on which you are clinging on. This is the Tower card also. Things are crumbling on because you are clinging on to something, okay? You are not ready to let go anything on which you are still holding on. So you know better on which you are holding on. What is the thing on which you are holding on? I hope it is clear here. What are you clinging on to? That's why I told you in the beginning of the reading only that there is something on which you have to release it. There is something on which you are not ready to releasing it. That's why here comes the divine intervention. Divine has to interpret your situation so that you can make the necessary changes in your life. So there is the crumbling is happening in your life, but don't worry. Can you see this crumbling is happening so that beautiful things can come in your life? Can you see how this is the dark building which is crumbling, which is breaking out, and there is beautiful garden, beautiful forest which is waiting for you. So there is something on which you are not ready to let go, basically. So release anything on which you are still holding on. Take a break. Life's work, not a session. Get off the treadmill. Maybe many of you are working continuously. You need to take a break from the life, Aquarius. Okay, take a break. 0505 was the recording reading time. This is a life work. Okay, you need to take a break and rest and take a break here. Then there is Warrior Woman. Have you answered your deepest calling? Here again this message is very much clear. 1 minute. I know it is not visible. Now it is visible. Okay. So have you answered your deepest calling? You are the warrior woman, warrior man. Take gender is not specific. Take gender according to your situation. You are the warrior woman here, Aquarius. I know you have gone through with lot of, obstacles, challenges, lot of things in your life, and still you are standing strong because you are the warrior woman here. But there is something on which your soul is trying to tell you. So have you answered your deepest calling here? Then there is the Great Gathering. It's all coming together. Intuitive hits, soul tribe. Okay. So this card means that now you are going to meet new people in your life here. And whatever new people are entering in your life, they all are your soul tribe. Okay. All are coming together here to help you out. And this is your soul tribe. You all belong to one family. All are a part of a soul family. Then there is Share Your Voice. Come out of the cave, perception expressions here. Can you see how this girl is sitting here at the corner of the sea and looking towards the sea here? You have to come out of your mind thoughts. You have to express here, Aquarius. Share your voice. You have lot of knowledge. I can tell you, you are becoming more wise than before. So you have to come out of this cave and express yourself, because worlds want to hear you. You are here on this planet Earth 0707 to spread light. I always tell you, you are a light worker. Many of you are the light workers, the star seeds. So you are here to spread light here. Okay. So you are here to spread light. So spread your light, spread your voice, because the world needs to hear your voice. Then there is I remember, soul plan, the fated life versus the destiny life. See, I told you, this is your soul plan here. And your soul remembers everything. Okay. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the Star Seed Oracle deck. What are the messages for Aquarius, April 2021? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. I'm not going to take it. Okay. So you have to take steps towards your soul calling here, Aquarius. There is a soul plan and your soul remembers everything. Okay. You need to share your voice. And now you're going to meet your soul tribes. The people you are meeting right now in your life are the soul tribe of your soul family. Okay, you all belong to one soul family. Then there is Cosmic Heart. Make your life a moving prayer. Devotion, potency. Make your life a moving prayer. Do not stop if you do your meditation, prayer. You are having Cosmic Heart here. You are having a lot of universal energies inside your soul. So keep paying your devotions here, Aquarius. Cracked, open, rock bottom, surrender to the acme of the light. See. Many of you have to do your healing. There is a healing which is required here. There is a crack which is open here. So you need to surrender yourself to the life, to the divine, so that you can complete your healing. And here I'm having the Cosmic Heart. Keep paying devotion to the divine, to the universe. Have trust. Whatever is happening in your life, it is happening according to the divine plan. Wow. They give me exact 2 cards. I was just saying that give me 2 cards. Okay. Jump in, Adamant energy adventure. Say yes to change. Okay. Many of you can be the Andromedan energy. That I don't know. Andromedan energies. Okay. You just need to say yes. Lot of adventure and change is coming for you, Aquarius. You just need to say yes. Okay. Lifting the veil. Questioning everything, anything aligned must go. See, any same message is here from this deck too. Now it will be clear out for you. There is something on which you are holding on. You are question everything. Okay, if you're not questioning, then question everything and ask your soul that what is that on which you are still holding on? What is that which don't serve your highest good? Okay, and let go anything which is not aligned with your highest good. That's the message which I'm getting, and which is very much clear here, that anything which is aligned with your highest good, with your highest good must go here. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the unicorns. What are the messages? See, I told you prosperity is coming for you, Aquarius. Prosperity is flowing towards you, so be open to receive it. There is blessings. Count your blessings and the good in your life will multiply. So always see, prosperity and the blessings is here. 1 minute. Yeah, now it will be visible for you. Prosperity and blessings are coming for you. Just count your blessings, how blessed you are here, Aquarius. Then there is 3 more message which is here. That is divine sight. See the divine in everyone. Then there is help. The help you need is on its way, so keep watching it. Maybe many of you are requiring any kind of help. So whatever help you are looking for, that help is coming, okay, Aquarius, for you. It is on your way and it is coming for you. And here see everyone with the divine. Everyone has the divine. Okay, every soul on this planet Earth is having divine inside them. So see the divine in everyone. There is surprise. Look for the unexpected today. Beautiful. There is some kind of surprise which is coming for you. So look for the unexpected today here. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the Scared Traveler. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius for the month of April 2021. Give me the messages for Aquarius which I need to deliver. Wow. What are the messages for Aquarius? Lot of messages. What are the messages for Aquarius for the month of April 2021? Give me the messages. Give me the messages. One more message. I got two. Okay. And I'm sorry if you listen any construction voice in the background, because construction is going on in my neighborhood. Okay, so I'm sorry for that if you listen any kind of noise. So journey by moonlight, believe in magic here. That's the message is here. You need to believe in magic. You are having the journey by the moonlight. Maybe lunar eclipses affect you a lot. Okay, so moonlight is here. Then there is first light, beginning a new cycle here, Aquarius. You are beginning a new cycle. Okay, new cycle is going on. You are closing out the old cycles and you are starting a new cycle in your life. Okay, so new cycle is going to start here. Keep going forward, ascending the mountain. Do not stop. Do not stop at all. Keep moving in a forward direction here, Aquarius, because you are beginning a new cycle. A new cycle is going to begin in your life. So keep moving in the forward direction. Then there is narrow pathway, tread thoughtfully. And there is breaking trail. A breakthrough is at hand. So you will find a breakthrough here on which you are still finding the solution. You will find the breakthrough for that for that whatever breakthrough you are searching for, you're looking for, you'll find that breakthrough. Then there is overcoming obstacle. You can overcome anything. Beautiful. 1441 was the recording reading time. You can overcome any obstacle here, Aquarius. And there is an breakthrough which you are going to receive here. Okay, breakthrough is coming for you, Aquarius. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the Scared Destiny Oracle card. What are the messages for Aquarius, April 2021? Give me the messages. But release anything on which you are still holding on. Okay, there is something on which you have to release that thing. You are still purity. It was also there while shuffling, also while doing your meditation. I was getting this card here. Then there is wonders, miracles. See, lot of miracles and wonders are going to happen in your life here, Aquarius. You just need to trust. Too many cards. Trust. Why here there is believe in the magic. Why there is saying here that you need to believe in the magic? Because here I can see that there is lot of miracles which are going to happen for you here, Aquarius. Lot of miracles are going to happen in your life. You just need to believe in magic here. Can you see? Believe in magic. That's the message which I'm getting for you. Then let's see two more messages. Two more messages for Aquarius. They give me exact two messages. See, again freedom card is here again. See, I can show you like this. Freedom is coming for you. You will feel free because you are still holding on something which don't serve your highest good. Once you release that thing, you feel freedom inside of you, Aquarius. Freedom is coming for you. So that was the message. Bottom of the deck, love and success is coming for you. See, success in love is coming for you, and this can be the success in money also. Okay, So yes, beautiful success is coming for you here. Wonders and miracles. Lot of wonders and miracles are going to happen in your life. And there is purity here. So you are becoming more pure soul as day by day. So this is the message. Let me read it out from the book. No matter what has happened in the past, everything can be fresh and new again. The purity of your soul is shining through everything that you encounter. You are entering in the period of grace. Simply open your heart and know that the best is yet to be. The past does not equal to the future. Your future can be and will be shimmering, sparkling and bright. Old limiting patterns are dropping away. Recurring challenges are releasing. This is a time of redemption, forgiveness and holy healing. Beautiful message. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the Divine Abundance deck. What are the messages for Aquarius, April 2021? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver for Aquarius. Wow. Divine flow, extraordinary. Then there is sanctity. One more message. They give me 2, 4. But I'm not going to take these 2. Okay. Whatever loss was happened here, Aquarius, do not worry because divine abundance is coming for you. See, I told you abundance is coming for you. Lot of abundance is coming for you. Sometimes you learn the true offering through loss. You make a passionate invitation for love to take over and bring her own plan instead of the ego. Okay, so whatever loss you are going through, do not worry because here I am having divine abundance with the loss here. So whatever loss you has happened in your life, whether it is in love, whether it is in money, finances, okay, whatever loss has happened in your life, that is going to be replaced by the divine abundance because here you are born to align with love will. Follow the Tao and serve something beyond the ego. Learn to be abundance, not chase it. And that's right, you do not have to chase abundance. Okay, you are born with divine abundance here, Aquarius. I always tell you that you deserve love, you deserve happiness, you are abundant of everything. Then there is outrageous openness. Dear love, open to me, to your will, release me from my attachment, surprise and delight me with your plan. You know what's needed and I'm open to receive. You need to open up so that you can receive the beautiful blessings and the things which are coming in your life. For that you need to open up yourself so that you can receive that thing. Then there is sanctuary. Through offering, even the most mundane problem can become a sacrament. So you need to offer, see, pay your, you are having a lot of devotion. Cosmic Heart was here in this deck. So keep praying, Aquarius, keep paying your devotion. Make your life a moving prayer. That's the same message which I'm getting from this deck too. Keep praying to the divine. Have your faith in the divine because everything is happening and beautiful things are coming for you. There is divine flow and extraordinary. Eventually, once some line desires take procedure over all others to follow the Tao, the divine flow at all cost. So yes, this is the divine flow which is happening for you. Lot of beautiful things are coming for you in the month of April. There is an extraordinary, there is wild and imperious uniqueness to you that deserves to be honored. See, I told you there is a lot of things. Share your voice. You are the extraordinary, unique zodiac sign in all zodiacs, okay? And I always say you that you are having beautiful soul gifts, Aquarius. You are the light workers, you are the star seeds. Share your voice, okay? You are having the extraordinary gifts which needs to be honored. You deserve to be honored here. So you are the extraordinary. I always tell you this. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the colors. What are the messages? Turquoise, awaken your empathy. So you can use this color here, awaken your empathy. Okay, that's the message which I'm getting for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from Scared Creator Oracle. This is a beautiful deck. I love this deck actually. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. Accept and receive external validation. You are epic. Your past supports your future. You are feed your artist here. You are the light. See, I told you you are the light here. You are epic. You are light. See, this is what I was telling you. You are extraordinary, unique light here on this planet Earth, Aquarius. Know your words, share your voice. You are epic. You are the light here. You are the light because you are here to spread light. So spread your light, share your voice. There is accept and receive, openness. See, again the same messages here. You need to accept and receive, and for that you have to open up, accept the validations, accept the things which are coming your way here, Aquarius. Just you need to open up yourself so that you can receive the beautiful blessings of the divine which is coming for you. So accept and receive here, Aquarius. Then there is feed your artist. Your past supports your future. Whatever has happened in the past, that is going to create a beautiful future for you, Aquarius. Just learn the mistakes and the just learn the lessons from your mistakes. I will not use this word mistakes, but I can say that learn the lessons from whatever incidents has happened from your past. Learn the lesson from your past and use that knowledge in your future, because you need to feed your artist here. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. No, I need to add one super attractor card here. I don't know why I say this. Okay, let's see what are the messages from this deck. Directing my focus on what's thriving creates more of what I want. See, that's right. Where you think the energy will flow. Okay, if you can't change the situation, then you have to direct your energy towards what you want to create. Whatever you want to create, direct your energy towards that direction. Also, that's the message which I'm getting for you from this deck too. Beautiful message. Thank you for giving the beautiful message to my Aquarius. Let's see what is the message from the Everyday's Miracles. What is the message for Aquarius for the month of April 2021? Give me the message. The light has come. See, the light has come. Today, the time of light begins for you and everyone. It is the new era in which a new world is born. The old one has left. No trace upon in it is passing. Today, we see different world because the light has come. See, I told you, you are the light here, Aquarius. Okay, the light is here. Spread your light. Spread your voice. Spread your unique gifts with the world, because world needs you. So this is the message which I'm getting here. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add some zodiac signs and then I'm going to close out. What are the signs which Aquarius dealing with? What are the signs which Aquarius dealing with? They can be a Taurus here, or a Gemini, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Aries, Scorpio, Virgo. Okay, so they can be a Virgo here, Aries. They can be an Aquarius dealing with an Aquarius. Then there is Libra, Taurus, Scorpio, Sagittarius, and Gemini. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with, or you are already having in your chart somewhere. So this was your general reading for the month of April. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and happiness to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon. And if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So take care of yourself once more. See you soon.